everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Fry's gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box at the top of the screen, type in www.frysfood.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page. Make sure to log into your account by entering your credentials for frysfood.com, and then once you're logged in, click on the gift cards tab at the top right hand corner. From this page, scroll down and right after you see this kind of an interface, click on this link right here that says kroger.com/gift card activation. You'll be able to see this interface right here where it says Kroger. You can simply enter your gift card information in the text boxes beneath displayed on the screen. Enter your gift card information on the text boxes. Start off by typing in the UPC number, which is located at the back of your gift card as you can see it on the screen. Enter your 11 or 12-digit long UPC number and then enter your barcode number on the next field. Finally, click on Add Card button right beneath in order to redeem your Fry's gift card online. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.